stop. It's the breakfast that feels like a warm hug, cozy, comforting, and oh so healthy. Or so you thought. What if I told you that this beloved morning ritual could be silently working against you, right under your nose? Yes, oatmeal has earned its golden reputation for lowering cholesterol, stabilizing blood sugar, aiding digestion, and helping with weight control. But here's the jaw-dropping truth. Over 80% of daily oatmeal eaters are unknowingly wiping out these incredible benefits with a few simple, seemingly harmless mistakes. When prepared with care, oatmeal can be a daily fountain of youth, energy, and vitality, especially for those of us over 50. But one wrong move, a bad cooking method, a sugary topping, or an unhealthy ingredient pairing, and this wholesome bowl transforms into a silent saboteur. It can spike your blood sugar, promote fat gain, and ignite chronic inflammation that quietly chips away at your heart, brain, and overall health. So, let's pause and ask. Are you in the group enjoying oatmeal's full potential, or are you unknowingly putting your health at risk every morning? Today, we're pulling back the curtain to reveal the 10 most dangerous oatmeal mistakes seniors make, from how you cook it to what you sprinkle on top. More importantly, we'll share simple, science-backed fixes to transform your oatmeal into the golden breakfast it was always meant to be, fueling your body with vitality and longevity. So, grab a cup of tea, get comfortable, and let's dive into making your mornings a true blessing for your health. Before we explore these mistakes, let's remind ourselves why oatmeal earned its superfood crown. It's a nutritional powerhouse, nutrient density. A small serving of oats is packed with magnesium for strong nerves and muscles, iron for oxygen transport, zinc for immune strength, and B vitamins for glowing skin, healthy hair, and boundless energy. Low in calories, yet bursting with value. Beta-glucan fiber. This unique fiber forms a gel in your gut, lowering LDL, bad cholesterol, stabilizing blood sugar, reducing blood pressure, and feeding healthy gut bacteria. It's a multitasker that protects your heart, prevents diabetes, and boosts digestion, all in one bowl. Rare antioxidants, avenanthramides. These powerful compounds fight inflammation, improve blood flow, and shield your cells from aging damage. These aren't just health benefits, they're tools for a longer, vibrant life. Weight management. Oats keep you full, steady your blood sugar, and provide long-lasting energy, reducing cravings and unnecessary snacking throughout the day. In short, a well-prepared bowl of oatmeal is a foundation for heart health, digestive wellness, metabolic balance, and inner radiance. But here's the catch. Because oatmeal is so powerful, even the smallest misstep can undo all its benefits. Most people don't even realize they're making these mistakes. Are you one of them? Let's dive into the top 10 oatmeal mistakes and, more importantly, how to fix them to unlock oatmeal's full potential. If this information opens your eyes, don't forget to subscribe for more science-backed nutrition tips tailored for adults over 50. And in the comments, let us know where you're watching from. We love connecting with health-conscious seniors worldwide. Mistake 1. Adding too much sugar to your oatmeal. It starts innocently enough. A sprinkle of sugar, a drizzle of maple syrup, a handful of sweetened dried fruit, or a splash of flavored creamer. What's the harm, right? Just a touch of sweetness to brighten your morning. But here's the chilling truth. That little sugar can turn your healthy oatmeal into a blood sugar bomb. It causes your glucose levels to skyrocket and then crash, leaving you drained, foggy, and hungry again within hours. This one bowl can trigger a domino effect of cravings, overeating, and fatigue that hijacks your energy for the entire day. The damage goes deeper. Regularly sweetening your oatmeal with sugar trains your body to tolerate dangerously high glucose levels, increasing the risk of insulin resistance, stubborn belly fat, type 2 diabetes, and even heart disease, all starting with that healthy breakfast. Worse still, high sugar meals create a constant low-grade inflammation that weakens your immune system, making you more vulnerable to illness and less resilient as you age. The fix? Turn to nature's sweetness. Swap refined sugars for naturally sweet fruits like ripe banana slices, diced apples, or fresh berries. Enhance flavor with a dash of cinnamon or a splash of pure vanilla extract. These choices deliver rich, satisfying taste without wrecking your metabolism, keeping your blood sugar steady and your body thriving. Mistake 2. Using pre-flavored instant oatmeal. Those colorful packets of apple cinnamon or strawberry chocolate oatmeal promise a quick, heart-healthy breakfast. But don't be fooled by their cheerful labels. Hidden inside are alarming amounts of refined sugar, often 15 to 20 grams per serving, equivalent to 5 teaspoons of sugar before 8 a.m. Add in preservatives, artificial flavors, hydrogenated oils, and excess sodium, and you've got a recipe for disaster. These ingredients throw your blood sugar off balance, inflame your body, and quietly wear down your heart, meal after meal. You might not feel the damage right away, but the signs creep in. Mood swings, energy crashes before noon, sudden hunger pangs, and a growing reliance on caffeine or snacks to get through the day. Over time, these packets pave the way for chronic inflammation, cardiovascular disease, and type 2 diabetes, all from what you thought was a healthy choice. Food companies know this, yet they hide behind terms like natural flavor or made with whole grains to make you feel good about a toxic breakfast. The fix: skip the flavored packets and choose plain rolled or steel-cut oats. Add your own flavor with sliced bananas, fresh strawberries, a sprinkle of cinnamon, or a drop of pure vanilla extract. If you need a touch of sweetness, a small drizzle of raw honey does the trick. Don't trade your long-term health for 90 seconds of convenience. Your heart, blood sugar, and future deserve better. Mistake 3. Eating oatmeal without protein. Oatmeal is packed with fiber and nutrients, but it's missing one critical piece: protein. Without it, your healthy breakfast becomes a blood sugar roller coaster waiting to crash. Imagine this. You enjoy a warm bowl of oats cooked in water or almond milk. It feels light and clean, but within an hour or two, you're starving, craving carbs, and reaching for snacks, wondering where your energy went. That's not just hunger. It's your blood sugar spiking and plummeting because your meal lacked the protein needed to keep it stable. Over time, this habit can lead to muscle breakdown, weight gain, and a gradual loss of strength, especially dangerous as we age. It's like building a house out of straw. It looks healthy on the outside, but it's crumbling inside. The fix: transform your oatmeal into a metabolism-boosting, muscle-supporting powerhouse. Stir in a scoop of Greek yogurt, sprinkle on chia seeds or sliced almonds, or pair it with a boiled egg or a spoonful of nut butter. This simple addition stabilizes blood sugar, keeps you full longer, and supports muscle health, giving you energy that lasts all morning. Mistake 4. Eating too much oatmeal. Oatmeal is healthy, so more is better, right? Wrong. Even the most nutritious food can backfire if you overdo it. Many well-meaning seniors load up a giant bowl of oats, pile on peanut butter, nuts, honey, and dried fruit, and call it a superfood breakfast. But beneath that wholesome surface lies a hidden danger. That bowl can pack as many calories as a fast food meal. Beyond calories, eating too much oatmeal floods your system with fiber, leading to bloating, gas, and digestive heaviness. For some, it can even block the absorption of key nutrients like iron and zinc, especially if you have a sensitive stomach. That stuffed, foggy feeling after breakfast? It's not in your head, it's your gut struggling to handle the overload. The fix: keep portions in check. Stick to 1/2 cup of dry oats, about 40-50 grams, before cooking, which doubles in volume when cooked. Pair with light toppings like fresh fruit or a dollop of yogurt. This fuels you without overwhelming your system, keeping digestion smooth and energy steady. Mistake 5. Not soaking oats before eating. Most people assume oats are ready to cook straight from the package, but here's a shocking truth. Oats contain phytic acid, an anti-nutrient that binds to minerals like iron, zinc, and calcium, preventing your body from absorbing them. You could be eating a balanced diet and still face mineral deficiencies, fatigue, weak immunity, brittle bones, even hair thinning, all because you skipped this simple step. The fix: soak your oats in water or plant-based milk for 6-8 hours. Overnight in the fridge works perfectly. This breaks down phytic acid, unlocking the minerals for your body to absorb. Bonus: soaked oats are creamier, easier to digest, and gentler on your stomach, delivering a richer, more nourishing meal without bloating or nutrient loss. Mistake 6. Eating undercooked oats. You see your oats looking soft and think, good enough. But undercooked oats are tough on your digestive system. The powerful beta-glucan fiber that makes oats so healthy becomes hard to break down when not fully cooked, leading to bloating, gas, and discomfort. Worse, raw or barely cooked oats lock away nutrients like iron, magnesium, and zinc, so your body misses out on the very benefits you're eating oats for. The fix: simmer oats slowly with enough water until they're smooth, creamy, and velvety. Think porridge, not sticky paste or rubbery clumps. If microwaving, add extra water and stir during intervals to ensure even cooking. Properly cooked oats unlock every mineral and benefit your body craves. Mistake 7. Overcooking oatmeal. On the flip side, letting your oats bubble away until they turn to mush is just as harmful. Overcooking destroys the creamy texture that makes oatmeal satisfying, leaving a soggy, gummy mess that digests too quickly. You feel full for an hour, then hunger crashes back, pushing you towards snacks and extra calories. Even worse, excessive heat damages fragile B vitamins, essential for brain health, metabolism, and energy, leaving you with calories but little nutrition. The fix: cook oats gently until soft but still slightly chewy, perfectly creamy and flavorful. If you prefer a smoother texture, opt for instant oats designed for quick cooking rather than overcooking rolled oats. Timing is everything to preserve nutrients and satisfaction. Mistake 8. Using the wrong cooking liquid. Cooking oatmeal in milk seems like a healthy choice, but it's a sneaky mistake. Milk's proteins clash with oat starches during cooking, creating a gluey, heavy texture that's far from the velvety bowl you're aiming for. High heat also destroys delicate nutrients in both the oats and milk, leaving you with a breakfast that looks healthy but delivers less than it should. The fix: cook oats in filtered water until tender, then stir in milk or a plant-based option like almond or oat milk at the end. This preserves nutrients, maintains a silky texture, and gives your oatmeal a rich, creamy finish without turning it into sludge. Mistake 9. Skipping the salt. In the name of clean eating, many skip the salt, thinking it makes their oatmeal healthier. But here's the truth: skipping salt doesn't just make your oats taste flat, it sabotages your breakfast. Salt unlocks the natural sweetness of oats, enhancing every bite. Without it, you're likely to compensate with extra sugar, syrups, or artificial flavorings, undoing all the health benefits you're aiming for. The fix: add a small pinch of salt at the start of cooking to infuse flavor evenly. This tiny step balances toppings like berries, almonds, or honey, making your oatmeal deeply satisfying without compromising your health. Mistake 10. Relying solely on oatmeal. Oatmeal is a superfood, but it's not a complete diet. Eating only oatmeal day after day leaves gaps in critical nutrients like high-quality protein, essential fats, vitamin B12, easily absorbed iron, and omega-3 fatty acids, vital for brain health and inflammation control. Over time, this can lead to fatigue, memory fog, weak immunity, and slow muscle recovery, issues no one would blame on their healthy breakfast. The fix: make oatmeal a foundation, not the whole meal. Add nuts for healthy fats, Greek yogurt or a boiled egg for protein, and fresh fruits for vitamins and antioxidants. Throughout the day, include leafy greens, fatty fish, legumes, and lean meats to ensure your body gets the full spectrum of nutrients it needs to thrive. Conclusion: make oatmeal your morning blessing. Oatmeal has the potential to be one of the most powerful breakfasts you can eat, fueling your body with energy, vitality, and longevity. But as we've seen, small mistakes can turn this promise into a problem. The good news? These mistakes are easy to fix. By making smart choices, choosing the right oats, cooking them properly, balancing toppings, and pairing with diverse foods, you can unlock oatmeal's full potential as a foundation for heart health, digestion, and inner radiance. True health doesn't come from one food alone but from the consistent, mindful choices you make every day. So, let's make oatmeal a blessing, not a burden. If these insights have changed how you see your morning bowl, subscribe for more straightforward, evidence-based nutrition tips designed for seniors. In the comments, share how you prepare your oats and what you'll do differently to make them a powerhouse for your health. Here's to vibrant mornings and a healthier you. See you in the next video.